Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use our monitoring platform on our phone.
Step 1. Scan code to download app. Please make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. Step 2. Install data logger. Step 3. Registration and connection. Go to SolarMan Smart and register. Click Register and create your account here. Click Add Now to create your pledge. Please fill in plant basic info and other info here. Scan the QR code to get the registration number or enter login manually. Click Start to configure to set the network. Please wait for a few minutes. Then click Down and view plant data. You can see all the data on your phone at any time, anywhere. Method 2. Manual connection and registration through website. Enter the website and the registration. Then create the plant. Please fill in plant basic info and other info here. After finish the blank, you can add a logger. Enter logger SN manually. You can find logger SN in the external packing or on the logger body. Now add the device successfully. Here you can browse the data visually. The flow graph, everyday weather, history production, etc. And you can click the export to download the plant data. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us.